What is biodynamic farming? Greetings to all the farmers and friends involved in farming business all over the globe. Our mission is to grow enough food using zero chemicals and encourage rural youth for 100% employment on their own land. My name is Tejaram Chaudhary and we are discussing all the agriculture methods adopted by farmers all over the world. Our ultimate aim is to arrive at the best agriculture method wherein our agriculture will be simple, cheapest, natural and will benefit the entire humanity, entire living being and the entire climate on Mother Earth. To know more about all the agriculture methods, we are discussing briefly about each one, and today we are taking up the next method, that is biodynamic farming. What if farming didn't just depend on soil and water but also on cosmic rhythms and natural energies? Welcome to the fascinating world of biodynamic farming. The definition of biodynamic farming is an advanced form of organic agriculture developed by Rudolf Steiner in the early 20th century. It views the farm as a self-sustaining living ecosystem influenced by both earthly and cosmic forces. It blends biological practices like composting with natural rhythm such as lunar cycles. It has principles. Number one, farm as a living organism. In biodynamics, the farm is treated as one living system. Soil, plants, animals, and humans all work together. Each element supports the other to maintain balance, health, and productivity. Principle 2. Biodynamic preparations. One unique feature is special natural preparation made from herbs, minerals, and animal manures. These are applied in very small amounts to stimulate soil life and plant vitality. For example, preparation 500 uses fermented cow manure buried in a horn to enrich soil energy and fertility. Other herbal blends use yarrow, dandelion, and chamomile to support nutrient cycling and plant resistance. Principle number 3, cosmic and lunar rhythms. Timing is crucial. Farmers follow lunar and planetary cycles when planting or harvesting. For instance, root crops are often planted during a waning moon, while fruit crops are planted during a waxing moon. Principle number 4, closed nutrient cycle. Everything needed should ideally come from the farm itself, like compost, manure, and nutrients. This reduces dependence on external inputs. Principle number 5, animals as partner. Animals play a vital role. Their manure enriches soil and they are treated ethically, living according to natural behavior. Principle number 6, soil health and biodiversity. Biodynamic farming strongly focuses on soil regeneration and biodiversity. Healthy soil means resilient crops and long-term sustainability. Certifications. It also provides certification, like farms can even receive certification from organizations like Demeter International, which ensures strict standards of biodynamic, including no synthetic chemicals or GMOs. Advantages of biodynamic farming. The system promotes sustainability, strong soil life, biodiversity, and ethical farming practices. Many farmers also value its spiritual connection with nature. Disadvantages. However, it can be complex, time consuming, and difficult to scale. Certification can be costly, and some scientists question the cosmic aspects because they lack scientific proof. The conclusion is that while permaculture focuses on practical ecosystem design, while biodynamic farming goes a step further, combining organic farming with holistic and cosmic principles. The closing point is, so the question rises, is farming just science, or can it also be art, rhythm, and harmony with nature? To know more about other methods, keep tuned with us. Finally, we will arrive at the best agriculture method and encourage all the farmers to adopt the same for doing natural, or say purely natural farming. To know more, like, subscribe, and share our channel. Thank you so much.